Meaning of digit.
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 Digit. The term digit refers to any of the symbols used to represent numbers in a numbering system. In the decimal system, which is used commonly, the digits include 0 to 9. Each digit has a place value that depends on its position in the number. For example, in the number 123, the digit 1 has a value of 100, the digit 2 has a value of 20, and the digit 3 has a value of 3. Digits play a crucial role in mathematics, computer science, and many other fields that involve numerical operations.